Hey folks, this is a Equinox 2016 LT with a ecotec 4-cylinder. Want to know how to do spark plug on this? Show it to you real quickly because I'm here to do VVT sounder. So I'm going to show you spark plugs. Very simple. Okay, got to remove the clamp over here. Loosen that clamp. Pop this hose off on the side of the air cleaner. Okay, there's another clamp over here that's attached to your throttle body. Okay, unscrew that clamp and this whole assembly will come off and go over to the side. Okay, once you get here, you know where your spark plugs are. They're right underneath that coil. Okay, with that coil, see these little gray clips here? These gray clips are going to slide up. Take a little tiny screwdriver in here and just pop them up that way. Once you pop them up that way, you're able to squeeze this little blue tab over here. Okay, once you squeeze that blue tab, then this connector will come right out. 2 fingers, of course. Let me see if I can do this here. Let's set you up over here. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. Gotta find you guys a place to stand. How's that? Okay. Plus, I gotta climb up on the little stool over here. All right. So, like I said, squeeze a little blue tab over here, and this connector will come right out, just like that. It's stuck. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. There it is. All right. Once that comes out, there's a 10mm bolt in there. You take that out, and then you give a little twirl. When you lift it, voila, this is your coil. So you want to change your coil, that's how you change the coil. There's the original one, got a little white powder here, that's what you got to look for. There's no other damage in here. That is good, got a nice long bolt. And your spark plug is right in there. Take the spark plug tool, change the spark plug. Okay, if you use the iridium ones, you don't have to gap them. Put them right back in there. There's so many different spark plugs. You can go bananas. Figure out which one you want to buy. But hey, listen, buy the one that's good for your budget. All right? Put your spark plug back in there. Your coil is going to sit nice and flush. Snap. Oops. Pop goes the weasel. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put the little bugger back in. Dun, dun, dun. All right. The coil back in. It'll snap right in, just like that. We'll tighten up this little bugger. And then you can do that to the rest of them. All right. Unplug the coils first. 10mm socket to take the coils out. Then you need your spark plug socket. Take the spark plug out. And then everything is in reverse. All right. So this one's going to go back in here. It's going to click. And then that's going to click again. So you know you're on there solid. Take your time taking those clips off, all right? You don't want to break it, okay? If you do break it, you might have to just grab this harness with a little wire tie and just grab it around the coil to keep it closed in. You don't want that flopping off. You don't want it to come loose while you're driving. And you get a misfire. All right? That's that. That's your spark plugs. You do your 4 right there, and you're good to go. All right? Okay. Thanks for watching.